Have you ever felt that one simple conversation could change your confidence forever?
Yeah, sometimes just one good talk makes you believe in yourself.
And by the way, this English listening conversation is from JA Info Urdu, so subscribe now to improve your English.
That's right, it really helps when you practice with real conversations.
So, today we're doing fluent English conversation practice just like friends chatting.
Well, I like that idea. It feels relaxed and not stressful.
Tell me honestly, do you ever feel nervous speaking English?
Yes. Sometimes I get scared of making mistakes.
Yeah, same here, but mistakes are actually part of learning,
That's true. Without mistakes, we can't really improve.
So what do you usually do to practice your English?
Well, I listen to videos, repeat sentences, and try to talk to myself.
Talking to yourself is actually a great method.
Really? That makes me feel better. I thought it was weird.
Not at all, it builds confidence little by little.
Yeah, I can feel that. My voice sounds clearer now.
Do you think watching listening conversations helps you think in English?
Yes, slowly I stop translating in my head.
That's the biggest step toward fluency.
Wow, hearing that motivates me even more.
And the best thing is, you don't need perfect grammar at first.
True, speaking freely is more important in the beginning.
If this conversation helped you practice English, subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more learning.
Yes, subscribe to JA Info Urdu and keep improving your English every day.
Let's meet again with another friendly conversation soon.
Inshallah, see you next time, and keep practicing with JA Info Urdu.